What's up, YouTubers? My name is Brennan. This is Super Nerd Hobbyist, and today we're making Zapdos.
I feel like I'm losing my mind.
So to get started, I got these models from Etsy. These are the chibi versions of Zapdos, Moltres, and Articuno. But for right now, we're just going to focus on Zapdos. This one right here. I think it looks really good. We're going to see how long this is going to take. About 2 hours and 20 minutes with Tree Sports. So it's going to build it from the bottom to the top, just like this. Alright, let's get started. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight illusion. So now, since we're done 3D printing, all we need to do now is get rid of some of these layer lines. And what we're going to do is use sandpaper, and we're going to start with 1200 grit, then 2000 grit. Still trying to make it smooth. And if we still see layer lines, then we're probably going to use some Bondo glazing putty too, and water it down using some acetone. So let's see how good we can make this look. And also, if you want to really dig down into it and get rid of really bad layer lines, you could use 180 grit or a little bit higher, but you gotta be extra careful not to actually dig into the vein, so just lightly go over it and then do the higher grits. So let's get started.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going.
And now, since we're done with putting the Bondo on and sanding it down, we're gonna wait until it dries, which will probably take up to 30 minutes to an hour. After that, gonna lightly sand it with 200 grit sandpaper, and just take your time to make it as smooth as possible. Then it should be ready for face paint and airbrushing. And there we go. So it just got done drying. So like I said, the next step is to sand it with 2000 grit sandpaper. So we're going to get onto that and make all these little lines as smooth as possible so we can get ready for primer and paint. Let's get to it. Okay, now it's time to put some primer on this. So what we're going to use is some Rust-Oleum's paint primer, flat black. I'm probably just going to do one small coat on it, just barely spray it, give it a light coat, and after that it should be ready to airbrush. Let's get going. So now the next thing to do is airbrush this. I'm just going to paint the entire thing yellow, and then I'm going to hand paint like the feet, the beak, and the eyes separately. And I'm just going to use this yellow airbrush paint, and we're going to see how it turns out. Here we go.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. Some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip.
So now all that airbrushing's done, all that's left is to paint his eyes, beak, and feet. And I'm just gonna paintbrush them. And for he's gonna look more and less like this. So he's gonna have white and black eyes, orange beak, orange feet with white toes. So for orange, I'm just using this Airbrush orange. And we use this white acrylic for the white parts, and then this black acrylic. We're going to paint them and see how it goes. So thank you guys for watching my video. Hopefully you liked it, and hopefully you want to see more. Tell me in the comments below which Pokemon you think I should do next. I've had a lot of fun doing this, so I hope to see you next time. Thanks. Peace.